LuxKween.
What's up, everybody? I'm Lux, your favorite Get Dusty girl, here with the stars of my life. I'm getting ready to film some cameos, so I thought, why not film a YouTube video at the same time? Everybody is here. Costumer Lux, makeup artist Lux, and the star of the show herself, Lux. Plus me, Lux. Let's get started. Why don't you tell everyone what you're working on here? I've just been working so hard to make an outfit for cameos because I didn't have anything in my closet that I thought was good enough, so I decided I better just make a new one. I haven't been doing anything this week. I've just been sitting around laying in bed, so I decided I needed to do something productive. And what was the inspiration behind this look? I just had this pink cowboy hat and I decided that I needed a pink dress to match it. With the outfit complete, it's time to head to makeup. This is what we are going to be going for today. I'm starting with a pink cream. I'm just gonna trace out my cut crease. To set this pink cream, I'm just gonna use my blush. Looking good. I'm taking a hot pink. I'm going in with my liner. Today I'm using Wet n Wild. For this look, I'm gonna start up here and drag down. Line meets the fold of my eye, and then down here, like my normal makeup, I'm just gonna pull it down. And we're gonna just smoke this little piece out. I'm focusing it only on the lid. A little bit more pink, hot pink, and blending that fully onto the lid. Now I'm bringing in just that was a little more black than I meant to. It still looks good. It always looks so good in the mirror, and then I look at the monitor and I'm like, under my eyes I'm using my Makeup Obsession white concealer. I'm gonna set this with my Makeup Revolution powder in white. Bottom liner, drag up. Once you get to the eye bag turn, just drag her down. I don't feel beautiful unless I have a lot of black eyeshadow blended under my eye, so I'm gonna smoke this out. Ta-da! Can't forget mascara. Oh, let me put this lash on. Here is the final makeup look. What inspired this makeup look? The inspiration for this makeup came from mod, 60s, Twiggy, that whole graphic, fantasy. What's something that's been inspiring you? I've been feeling really inspired by my horoscopes lately. They have all been matching up perfectly with how I'm feeling. So I'm taking that as a sign from the universe that I'm on the right path. And where do we go from here? Now it's time to put on the costume.
It's Britney, bitch.